Hello children, today's lesson is the weather. Today we will talk about the weather and the weather report or weather forecast. So let's start. Listen and repeat. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining. It's snowing. It's stormy. It's windy. It's foggy. It's warm or it's hot. And it's cold. Well done. What's the weather like on these pictures? Match the picture with the right sentence. Let's start. 1. It's windy. Try to say the weather before me. Okay, let's continue. 2. It's foggy. That's right. Well done. 3. It's warm. 4. It's raining. That's right. This one is easy. 5. It's sunny. The opposite of warm or hot is cold. That's right. 7. It's cloudy. 8. It's stormy. And the last one. It's snowing. Well done, children. Let's continue. What's the weather like in spring? It's sunny and it's sometimes cloudy. That's right. And what's the weather like in summer? It's hot or warm and sunny. Well done. And what's the weather like in autumn? It's raining and it's stormy also. And it's foggy. That's right. And what's the weather like in winter? It's snowing and it's windy. That's right. Well done, children. And now tell me, what's the weather like in London, England? It's raining, that's right. And what's the weather like at the Bondi Beach, Australia? It's warm. What's the weather like at the Arctic? It's cold. What's the weather like in Africa? It's sunny. Well done. What's the weather like in Gorski Kotar, Croatia? It's foggy. What's the weather like in the United States of America, Washington, D.C.? It's stormy. What's the weather like in Sen, Croatia? It's windy. What's the weather like in Rome, Italy? It's cloudy. And the last one, what's the weather like in Russia? It's snowing. Excellent. Look at the map, children. It's the map of Europe. Can you name some countries on the map? Potete nominare in inglese alcuni paesi che si trovano sulla mappa, sulla cartina geografica e che fanno parte dell'Unione Europea. Questi paesi sono di color blu. Croatia, Italy, Spain, France, Austria, Germany, Greece, etc. Well done! Some countries are situated in the east, like Poland. Some in the west, like England. Some in the north, like Sweden, and some in the south, like Spain. Nell'angolo destro in alto abbiamo le parti del mondo. East significa est. West significa ovest. North è nord. South è sud. Look at the map again. Are you familiar with these capital cities? Let's find out if you know their countries. The capital of Croatia is Zagreb. That's right. The capital city è la capitale. E la capitale di Croazia è Zagabria. The capital of England is London. Well done. The capital of France is Paris. The capital of Ireland is Dublin. The capital of Spain is Madrid. The capital of Belgium is Brussels. The capital of Germany is Berlin. The capital of Sweden is Stockholm. And the capital of Poland is Warsaw. That's right. Well done, children. And now open your books at the page 66. And let's do the exercise A, Vocabox. Listen and match.
This is Radio 1. Here is today's weather in Europe. Let's start from the north. It's snowing in Stockholm. It's stormy in Berlin. It's raining in London. And it's cloudy in Dublin. Now let's go to Paris. What's the weather like in the capital of France? It's windy in Paris. And it's cold in Brussels. It's foggy in Warsaw, but it's warm in Zagreb. Let's go to the south of Europe, to Spain. The weather is nice and it's sunny in Madrid. Stay tuned to Radio 1.
Okay, and now let's check. 1. It's snowing. 2. It's raining. 3. It's cloudy. 4. It's stormy. 5. It's cold. 6. It's foggy. 7. It's windy. 8. It's warm. And 9. It's sunny. Well done, children. And now let's find out the temperatures in these cities. Tell me, what's the temperature in Zagreb? It's 18 degrees, that's right. And what's the temperature in Paris? It's 15 degrees, well done. And what's the temperature in London? It's 10 degrees. And what's the temperature in Madrid? It's 22 degrees. Well done. And now tell me, what's the weather like today in your city? You can look outside. It's cloudy, maybe. And what's the temperature today? You can look at the thermometer, or you can also look at your mobile phones. Okay. Well, it depends where you are. It's maybe 15, 16 degrees. Let's continue. Do you know who meteorologists are? Meteorologists forecast weather using various tools. Forecast means predict. The weather can change quickly. It's unpredictable. And the forecast can help you prepare for the weather. If you need to put on a coat or a scarf, take an umbrella or wear a t-shirt. It can also save lives because meteorologists can warn us if a big storm is coming. A weather forecast is a prediction of what the weather will be like in an hour or tomorrow or next week. And the weather forecast includes the weather, temperature, wind, high or low pressure, and humidity. And now, open your notebooks. Pause the video and copy this chart. You will do a 7 days weather report. Every day you will write what's the weather like. For example, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's windy. And you will also write the temperature. For example, it's 20 degrees, if it's 15 degrees, etc. For homework, you also have the weather report project. Draw a map of Croatia and write 8 cities. Then draw the weather icons near the cities, at least 5 different icons, and write the temperatures. Film yourself and your weather report. Per compito avete The Weather Report Project. Disegnate la mappa della Croazia nel quaderno o su un foglio A4. Poi, sulla mappa scrivete i nomi delle 8 città: Pola, Fiume, Zagabria, Varaždin, Osijek, Zara, Spalato e Dubrovnik, e vicino a ogni città disegnate che tempo fa e le temperature. Colorate i disegni e siate ordinati. Create la vostra previsione del tempo, il vostro meteo, e filmatevi mentre lo presentate. Durante la presentazione cercate di presentare le previsioni di tempo con le vostre parole, senza leggere. Questo progetto sarà per il voto e gli elementi della valutazione sono l'ordine. Allora, se la vostra mappa meteo, la carta del tempo è ordinata, se tutte le indicazioni sono seguite, cioè se avete scritto le 8 città, vicino a ogni città, se avete disegnato il disegno del tempo che fa e scritto le temperature, e se avete usato almeno 5 tempi diversi. Allora che sulla vostra mappa non c'è solo it's sunny or it's cloudy, ma che ci sono tanti tempi, per esempio it's raining, it's stormy, it's foggy, it's windy, it's sunny. Menzionate ogni città, che tempo fa e che temperature ci sono. Poi valuterò anche la vostra creatività, la pronuncia, l'uso delle frasi in inglese e la vostra presentazione. Importante anche rispettare la scadenza del progetto, cioè che il filmino del vostro meteo, della vostra previsione del tempo è consegnata in tempo, entro l'11 maggio. Per fare questo progetto con successo, di seguito vi ho preparato alcune frasi che potete usare durante la vostra presentazione della previsione del tempo. So here are some useful phrases for your weather report project. First, introduce yourself. Good morning, I'm Anja Rumac from Belvedere News. Let's take a look at today's weather in Croatia. Some useful phrases to use are: it's mostly sunny, it's partly cloudy, it's cloudy in Zadar with 20% chance of rain. Rain is expected in Zagreb in the afternoon. A few cloudy periods in Pula with a slight chance of rain. It's sunny, nice and warm in Split. temperatures are going to rise or temperatures are going to drop. The temperature in Rijeka is 14 degrees. Don't forget your umbrella. Showers are expected in Osijek. Warmer weather is on the way. Perfect for a nice walk. And to end your weather report, you can say, this has been your daily weather report. Stay in tune. I'm Anja Rumac. For homework, write the title in your notebooks. What's the weather like? E poi disegnate i disegni dei tempi che avete imparato oggi e vicino a ogni disegno scrivete che tempo fa in inglese. Per esempio, disegnate il sole e scrivete it's sunny. Poi disegnate una nuvola e scrivete it's cloudy. E così per ogni tempo disegnate un disegnino e vicino scrivete che tempo fa. Poi, seconda parte del vostro compito è My 7 Days Weather Report. Fate la tabellina nel quaderno e ogni giorno scrivete che tempo fa e la temperatura per quel giorno. E ultima parte del vostro compito è the Weather Report. Fate il filmino del vostro meteo, cioè una vostra previsione del tempo, e mandatelo entro l'11 maggio. Bye bye, hugs and kisses to all, and have a nice day.